All right, folks. Bitcoin may be making a breakthrough at 105. Won't really call it a breakthrough until we reach about 110 or get very close to 110, because even at 105, we can bounce back below 100K. A lot of us thought that we were done at 103, but we went to 103 and then we stalled for like 3 weeks. So we're still not out of it yet. We're moving up ever so slowly, going between 102 and 105. Obviously, the altcoins have not caught on yet. Ethereum's up a little bit, but several altcoins are actually down right now. And when will actually altcoins go up? I think it has to reach a new level, like around 110, and then we have to wait for a period of 2 to 3 days. I think that's kind of what happened last time. I do actually believe that the next run will actually be better for smaller altcoins. You go down the list, you see FTM's up by like 14 point something. And like, I do believe like the coins, below the top 25, even below the top 50 are going to do extremely well when the altcoins really, really start running. And yes, the meme coins will start running a little bit as well. So it's going to be a whole new breed of meme coins that start running. Some of the niches that I would really look at are AI, definitely. I think AI hasn't really had its time to run yet, and I think it actually will. RWA, Ondo's been doing pretty well, but some of the smaller RWA might actually catch up. And I really think it's going to be DeFi time. The DeFi ecosystems have actually been swelling. I'm expecting the ecosystems with more DeFi development will actually do better the second time around. I think Solana will do very well. I think Sui will actually do very well. Cardano, if it can actually get its DeFi up. Tron is kind of weird. It's always kind of weird with Tron. It might do well, but Tron might be kind of controlled by Justin Sun as well, as many think. So I'm not really sure about Tron. It should do okay at the least, because Tron's ecosystem, aside from Ethereum and Solana, is actually the biggest one, and they got a lot of good stuff going there. So I would keep my eye on TRX as well. I don't know if I would buy that much in Tron. Link is getting a little bit of hype with the CCIP stuff, but without its own ecosystem, it might be too hard for it to go really, really high up. Now, there have been two camps that have been informing me. One camp saying that CCIP does not require Chainlink, and the other one that says CCIP does require Chainlink. You can actually pay with the CCIP in a lot of other currencies. However, I think in the back end, it somehow gets converted to Link. With the stakers. So if that's the case, then Link definitely is going to go up with CCIP. Although, like, with all the CCIP users, I haven't really seen a price surge so far. So definitely, coins like SEI have like a pretty good chance of coming up. Aptos. Near has an ecosystem. I'm not really sure how much they actually work on the ecosystem. And hopefully something like Floki, which is actually working on an ecosystem, but I'm not really sure if anyone's going to take that seriously. I know they just came out with a debit card, but yeah, they are trying to build some DeFi, especially with TokenFi, but I'm not really sure how well that's going to be accepted, or can they escape that meme coin mode. Others like RNDR, obviously, I think will actually do well. And FTM does seem to be making a comeback, so maybe throw some money at that as well. Some of you are going to ask me about Kaspa. I'm not really sure about that. How are they building out? When are real smart contracts going to be there? When are more projects going to get onto their platform? I have a lot of questions that need to be answered via Kaspa, but I think they have an opportunity there to impress me as well. But yeah, I'm definitely looking at, once we get above 110, maybe even 120, I'm definitely looking at like smaller altcoins having a huge surge up. Some of them have not had a huge surge up like the bigger ones have. And I'm looking for them to actually get a really, really big surge up. Some of the sub coins from the bigger mainnets, I expect to surge up as well. Definitely hopeful so for like Snack. But I'm kind of hoping within the scope of the next week and a half, we'll definitely see the start at least of the second leg of the altcoin bull run. And that leg will actually see DeFi and smaller altcoins really come up, and that's going to boost up the altcoin market cap. Remember, the altcoin market cap is pretty much at the last all-time high in 2021, and when that happened last time in 2021, we matched the 2017 altcoin all-time high. We went for another 200%, so I'm looking for a really big rally, especially in the smaller altcoins. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit the bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.